Yeah, so myself, Alias Chunawala, Assistant Professor at KMCT School of Design, and this is our tech lab where ideas became innovation and innovation meets creativity. Students meet creativity, and with the help of cutting edge and design skills they develop here. So we have different kinds of machines which can also help them to create their ideas into reality. Here we have a graphic tablet for where they can sketch, they can create their ideas, and they can make stuff out of that. So this is a work which they can also create with the help of graphics and all. And then that same product can be converted into a 3D object. That 3D object you can see as a chair, which has been a bamboo chair. So here we create the 3D models and scale it down, and then we create in the form of 3D modeling. As you can see, there is a Creality 3D printer where it can create 3D models in PLA plastic and ABS materials. So here you can see a model which has been created with the help of 3D printing, the idea into a reality. So as we have seen a 3D printer which prints PLA, this is a resin printer which print liquid resin, and here we can create much more complex object and much more detailed and realistic object in 14K quality. So here we can see a liquid resin which we use to make these models. So in there we have a bed. So here we used to pour the resin, and then this bed comes down and it create layers by layers and create a model. As you can see, a Eames bird which is made out of resin, and then there is a curing machine as well. So resin cannot be used directly. After making a model, we have to put it in isopropyl alcohol, and then we have to cure it in UV light. So here it been cured like that. So here we can see a laser cutting machine, a Creality laser cut, and an engraver. So here we used to cut different kinds of material like wood, metal, acrylic, and steel as well. So it can cut different varieties of steel. So it can cut brass, aluminium, SS, MS in 0.5 mm, and it can cut wood up to 12 mm like that. So here you can see a laser cutted piece, also an engraved part. So it can cut all the soft and hard wood in this machine. So this helps students to cut in different pieces, variations, and then it can also help them to create a kind of object which is not been made in one single piece.